In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set scheduling permissions for team members in Calendly. This is really helpful if you manage a team and want to control who can create or edit event types, and how your team's scheduling works overall. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Calendly to review and adjust these permissions. First, make sure you're signed in to your Calendly account with an admin or owner role, since only those roles can manage team-wide permissions. Once you're logged in, start by going to your calendar settings page. From your main Calendly dashboard, look towards the navigation where you can access your availability or settings. Open the section for calendar or availability settings. This is where Calendly connects to your calendar and uses your availability preferences to know when you're free for meetings. It's important to begin here because your scheduling permissions for team members will be tied to how your organization's availability and event types are managed. Verifying that you're in the right workspace or organization, especially if you belong to more than one, will ensure you're editing the correct team setup. Next, navigate to the admin area where you can manage users. Look for a section labeled Users or Admin Users. Once you're on that page, you'll see a list of people in your organization. At the top of this screen, or in the main navigation of that page, you'll find an option called Permissions. Go ahead and click on Permissions. This Permissions section is where you control what team members can and cannot do in Calendly. For example, you can decide whether they can create new event types for the team, edit existing ones, or manage shared resources. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this area is useful because it affects how your entire organization schedules meetings. From within Permissions, look for the option related specifically to event types. You'll see a tab or link that mentions Event Type Permissions. Click on the highlighted option there. This will open the detailed settings for who can create, edit, or manage event types in your organization. Here, you can choose whether only admins and owners can create team-wide event types, or if regular users can create or modify them as well. Adjust these settings based on how much control you want your team members to have. When you're done, make sure any changes are saved, then you can exit the page knowing your scheduling permissions are now configured the way you want.